matter how much you work hard, you would be saying that I'm talented, I have the potential, I'm working like 14, 16 hours a day, but still I'm not able to make the ends meet. Or I'm earning the money and before it is end of month, I have spent it all. And there are times where you also see that there are other people who are not, may not be as talented as you are in that space. And you still say, how is it so effortlessly easy for them? But I'm struggling here.
And they seem to
Right?
be happier and they seem to be earning more, right? Even you
Yes.
feel like you're struggling. Damn. Okay. I think
Yes.
all of us have been through that. Yeah.
Correct.
Hey, Mallika. I have around 120 people in my students community whom I've been coaching, training on how to manage money, save money, invest, and all that. Um, Even though they like the formula that they're using it, but they're struggling to cope up with that for maybe they do it for 1 month or 2 months. After that, again they're back to their old ways. Is there a way that can be really changed permanently for someone to really go into the right track? What are your thoughts about
That's
it?
That's a great question, Vivek. And I understand this because I've been working with people and coaching them on various challenges they're going through. And over the years, I have come to realize the importance of treating the root cause, not just the symptoms. Right? Let's suppose if there is a mark on there's dirt on your face and you're looking into a mirror, right? And then it shows exactly what it is. Now imagine you keep cleaning the mirror, but is it going to make any difference to you? It
No.
doesn't, right?
Yeah.
So you first have to clean your face. So in the same way, it's very important for us to go to the root cause of a problem and understand where that issue is coming from. And for this, we need to understand our mind and how it's proven. And several researches have been done, especially in the past 10 years. So this is how our mind works. We have a conscious mind, and then we have an unconscious mind, right? The conscious mind, it has been proven, is responsible for your life, for you to make these conscious decisions. However, it has control over your life for about 5 to 3% only. Okay.
Wow. That's
Now,
all?
your yes, and the rest of it, which is about 95 to 99% of your life, is actually managed by your subconscious mind. Now, this subconscious mind is 1 million times more stronger than your conscious mind. Your belief systems are formed in the first 7 years of your life, from a baby to 7 years, right? And this is where you actually create your fundamental value systems or belief systems. And the rest of your life, you just play it out. You're working on those systems. So these beliefs are the ones which are ruling your life. So let's suppose, money-wise, if you have had childhood where there was lack of money, or where people constantly told you that money is hard to get, or they made you believe that you're not capable of earning money, or you're a spendthrift, and so on and so forth. By doing that, your belief system is formed in such a way that you are in a lack mindset.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you'll notice that no matter how much you work hard, you would be saying that I'm talented, I have the potential, I'm working like 14, 16 hours a day, but still I'm not able to make the ends meet. Or I'm earning the money and before it is end of month, I have spent it all. And there are times where you also see that there are other people who are not, may not be as talented as you are in that space. And you still say, how is it so effortlessly easy for them? But I'm struggling here,
And they seem to
right?
be happier and they seem to be earning more, right? Even you
Yes,
feel like you're struggling. Damn. Okay. I think
yes,
all of us have been through that. Yeah. Yeah.
correct. So that is when it is very important to go down to your money beliefs and see what is that is ruling your system, which is what is the program that is playing in the back end, because that's what is going to show up on the screen too, no
Hmm.
matter what efforts you're going to put. So uh, with this program of money breakthrough,
Hmm.
we want to unearth those money blocks, help
Hmm.
you understand what are the money blocks that you have. that are working against you. And once you identify it, we take you through a proven process, tools and techniques to eliminate those belief systems and replace them with healthy belief systems to help you achieve your goals. So if you want to be abundant, you need to have an abundance mindset. You cannot go there with a lack mindset, right? So there are over 16 money blocks that we all usually live with, right?
16.
And we do not even know.
You say 16 money blocks?
And
Wow.
over 16 money blocks. So we have generalized it with 16, right? Only when you start working and when you understand the individual and their journey, will you be able to identify the exact money block that is running their system. So in this money breakthrough program, we take them through these processes to help them identify these money blocks and then effectively eliminate them. And once they do that, everything that you're teaching them, right, all the tools and techniques, they're able to apply it so much more faster, and it'll start giving them the results that they want.
Results, right? Wow. This is like really powerful. So what you're saying, Mallika, is that this money breakthrough program is where people can come. First of all, they can change their childhood belief system or whatever belief system that they have in their minds at the subconscious level. We can remove the blocks, eliminate them first, and identify the blocks and then eliminate, and then actually have a really, not frugal living, but a fruitful living. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's true. Very true.
Amazing. Thanks a lot, Mallika. I hope our listeners today are excited to join this. So I think we can actually ask them to take some action. You can, see the link if it's below or above or here anywhere. Just click on that link. Show your interest level. If you're interested, we have a bit of a qualification process. Really, we do that, and then we can actually have you enrolled. And by the way, is there a limitation? Like, how do we do this? Like, do we run in batches, Mallika, or anyone can? Is it a recorded session first of all? Because recorded is so inhuman, in my opinion.
True. So this program has been designed using the principles and teachings of great masters and money masters like Ken Honda, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Bruce Lipton, and Lynne McTaggart. And there have been many researchers that have been proven these processes. So now, while we do this, we also going to harness the power of numbers. So you all might have heard that 11 is a very powerful number, right? So it came to me. We're going to go with that power, and we're going to limit the participants to 11. So we create this circle of abundance for them. And then we start working collectively together. So it is just not you. There are 10 other people who are supporting you with your goal. So we're going to meet every day for 30 to 45 minutes for 11 days.
Okay.
And we go through this healing process and let go of these money blocks.
Nice. And and these are live sessions, right?
Okay, these are live sessions.
Nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
So I think I'm excited. So let's have our people coming in. Are you someone who's looking for these answers to the questions that have been unanswered, even though you've tried a lot? Then I think you're in the right place. I have personally worked with Mallika. I have undergone her 30 days coaching. And if you go through my life experience, when we have time, we can actually have a chat, connect with me. I'll share you with my life experience, what has happened before that and what has happened after that. Okay, so that's how powerful her programs are. So I recommend and I urge that you be part of this for your own prosperity and abundance. Thank you so much, Mallika. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.